Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now, if you're looking for a great pop filter for your microphone, highly recommend this one right here. This one is actually very well constructed, and I really liked the sound that comes through it. It actually stops a lot of the P sounds, a lot of the pop that goes into your microphone, and it's got a gooseneck, which is really cool because you can adjust it to whatever you need or whatever angle you need for your microphone. And on this end, it's got the adjustable arm. So you can adjust it to your mic stand. And as you can tell right here in this picture or in this video, you can see that it's already adjusted. It looks great right in front of the microphone. And whenever I'm actually using it for voiceovers or for even singing, it does a great job. It really does filter all that noise. And when you run it through your system, you can actually tell it a huge difference. So this pop filter, even though it's not that expensive, it actually makes a world of a difference. Highly recommend it, absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.